Hi, I'm YeGaDi. I want to help everyone become stronger. Thank you for watching. Now, let's see.
This is the miracle against flu and cold. You will feel better in just one day. We all know that cough and cold are minor issues, but if we do not treat them on time and do not pay attention, they can turn into dangerous and irritating diseases. Dry cough is absolutely annoying because it makes you feel uncomfortable and you are not able to concentrate on anything. Today we will present you an amazing DIY remedy that will fight the pesky flu bug, help you stay healthy and boost your immunity. Lemon juice, honey and onion are the only ingredients consisted in this miracle. Onion is rich in anti-inflammatory properties and also works as natural antibiotic. Honey is full of antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral properties and it is ideal for irritated throat. Lemon supports the natural defenses of the body and is rich in vitamin C. Lime and lemon juice reduces phlegm and decrease the strength of the flu and cold. Recipe: 2 tablespoons of honey. Juice from 1 lemon. 2 cups of water. 1 onion. Instructions: the first thing you should do is to boil the water, cut the onion into small pieces and then boil them together for 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and let it stay for 10 minutes. Strain the resulting mixture and add the honey. Mix it well and add the lemon juice before you consume the beverage. Consume this extremely powerful miracle 3 times per day and you will be astonished by the results.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.